Hi everyone, it's Shana from WTI. I wanted to tell you about this absolutely amazing foundation that I have on right now, and this is from Jouer. This is the Central High Coverage Cream Foundation from Jouer Cosmetics in the color Maple, which is for dark skin with neutral undertones and subtle golden tones, which is spot on for my skin. This line does come with 50 different shades and 3 undertones. While it is a high coverage foundation, it's not too thick. It's the perfect consistency. And it's also packed with skincare and clean ingredients, which is going to nourish, hydrate, and plump your skin. I personally like the tripeptide complex, which supports collagen production for smoother, youthful looking skin. I like to use about a pump or a pump and a half, and I put it all over my face with a brush or even my hand, and wherever I need some extra coverage, I like to stipple it on with a little bit more foundation, and I do have nice looking healthy skin afterwards. Well, this foundation is near and dear to me because of my hyperpigmentation. I did need something that was full coverage, and this has a lightweight formula, yet it is very high coverage, but it doesn't leave you feeling heavy or cakey, and it does last a long time, especially if you do a nice skincare routine with your makeup application. So this comes in a wide range of shades and different undertones, so just about anyone will find the right color, and a little bit goes a long way. All you need is about a pump or a pump and a half like I used, and that's my point of view.